Hey, my awesome girlfriends, welcome back to the JLB channel. So in this video, I'll show you how I did the hair partings for the first time I did. So stay in tune if you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. To achieve the hair partings, I'll need combs, and I'll need clips, and I'll also need my rubber bands, and also just one hair pony, and also two mirrors so I can see the front and the back of the hair parting. So I start off by combing my hair, and I'm going to go in by sectioning my hair. So I'm first going to start off by parting the hair from the back, and I'll work my way upwards. So I just use my ear to ear as a marking for the first parting, for the first line that I am doing there. And then after that, what I will do, I will part that, I'll focus on that section first, and then I will work my way up. Yeah. You will definitely need two mirrors so that you can see the back of your head while you are creating this hair parting. It makes it so much easier, my awesome girlfriends. Without a mirror, I don't know how you can actually achieve this. So I go in and create the blocks. Don't forget to always oil your rubber bands so that you can easily glide the hairband elastic onto your hair. So be patient when you are doing this hair partings. You honestly need to be patient and take your time. Don't rush, and yeah, do take breaks if you want to take breaks in between. But anyways, I achieved this hairstyle for my first time. It actually took me 4 hours, I won't lie, because anyways, okay, in total you could say it took me 3 hours and a half because I also had like a 30-minute break as well. So for the first time it wasn't bad because the thing is, I'm such a perfectionist, so I just wanted to make sure that I am opening up these lines perfectly, and I just wanted to take my time for the first time and not feel frustrated of not getting the parting lines clear. Since there is progress so far, so as you can see, I mean, I never thought that I was going to be able to like part my own hair. I am so happy. I'm so excited to complete this parting. So yeah, hasn't been really tricky because I've just been using like the bottom lines which are parted here. I've been using them as a guide to part these ones at the top. Yeah, so yeah, my awesomes. I think so far, I have done, at the bottom I have done 8, and then here I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've done 8 on this one row here. I've done 8 partings, and then at the bottom, all these 2 rows amount to 8 partings. So I have done 16 partings so far. That is great. So that means, girlfriends, I am almost done. I am so excited. Whoa. Yes. So I had to do this side off camera, and I'm just going to show you guys how I did this section, but this side obviously. So my awesome girlfriends, I was so glad that I was able to achieve this hair parting. So you can do anything you put your mind to, awesome girlfriend. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and catch you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, bye.